Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a conversion. My Ram 1500 truck has a tow mirror and I wanted to have a power folding mirror. So I made some research and I believe you can do it by yourself by just buying some of the things that it needs. I wanted to do this instead of buying a whole kit. Stay tuned and we'll get right to it. So the parts that we are going to need are a pair of power folding mirrors. This is a tow mirror just like the same as the one in the truck right now. Window switch. It has a power folding option button. A left and a right door module. And OBD Link MX Plus, which I am going to use to activate that power folding feature. And to activate that, you need the Alfaobd app that you can download in Google Play. I will add all the links. Left and right door module. My current door module has only like 8 pins on this slot here. Power folding tow mirror needs 10. So I bought this from the Mopar Canada, and this one too. I need to remove the camera on the side view mirrors right there. So first thing we have to do, we have to remove the door panel. We're gonna remove the switch with a pry tool. This one will remove that panel, and there's a screw inside. You could unscrew. Then you have to remove this one with a pry tool also, and remove T20 Torx screw here. There's 6 of them. 2 on this side, 2 on the bottom, and 2 on this side. Okay. Remove the module. Just take out this torque screw here and here, and unplug all the connectors. If you want to remove the mirror, just unscrew this bolts and this one. My truck comes with a tow mirror bracket already, so I don't need to buy it. Just remove all this too. So on the right is the new one that I'm gonna install, and then the left is the old that I took out. So here's the old switch that I took out. So you can see no power folding button. This is the new one that is gonna be installed. See right there. Buying the one that has the power folding. Make sure that it's the same pins, because some model, the later ones have a different. And just a reminder, my truck is 2014. Okay, time to remove the bolts here. So this is the new power folding mirror. Let's install it back. Let's install the new one. And let's plug back the wires of the new power folding mirror back to the module, new module. So guys, we have installed the power folding mirrors and module on the left and right side of the vehicle. And now we're going to activate that using the Alpha OBD link. This one here. And my Bluetooth OBD Link MX Plus. The first thing you do is connect this Bluetooth OBD. That's the OBD Link MX Plus with the OBD slot of your vehicle. And as you can see, I've already connected my app to the OBD Link MX Plus. So next we'll go to, we're gonna put the vehicle on run, but not starting it. And here we go back to the app. We'll press the Dodge Ram. It's already selected car model. I got the Ram 1500 DX. Select the function. We'll go to body computer and select the control unit. Since mine is a 2014, and we'll scroll down until we hit the mirrors, power folding present. That. And we'll go into this page. Power folding mirrors present. Select value. Choose yes. Then start. Then there will say current status the component. No. Click next to change the system settings selected. And it says procedure completed. So current status the component, yes, you have selected the state. Same state of the system option to change already. So now it's power folding present, mirror present, yes. And we exit the application. Yes. Then we'll turn off the vehicle. I will wait 2 minutes. We'll let the vehicle slip. Okay, so 5 minutes are done. Okay, so 5 minutes are done. I'm just gonna start the car. Then we'll try the button here. So you can see it's folded. You can see there. I'll hit the power folding option button. And unfold, hitting it back. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching it, and it works by doing it yourself with the proper equipment. You don't have to go to the dealer and have it flashed, but yeah, I hope you learned something and hope you enjoy watching. And sorry about the camera movement. I'm just filming this by myself with my iPhone. Thank you.